Make Believe Ideas presents Storytime with Hannah. The Squishy Wishy Pumpkin, glow-in-the-dark squishy, shiny foil cover. The Squishy Wishy Pumpkin makes Halloween so sweet. He grants a wish for everyone who shouts out, "Trick or treat!" See, squish, make a wish. A hungry cat purrs, "Trick or treat!" She wants a tasty dish. The Squishy Wishy Pumpkin feeds her one big spooky fish. See, squish, make a wish. A skeleton groans, "Trick or treat!" He's cold and all alone. Brrr. The Squishy Wishy Pumpkin finds a cloak to warm his bones. See, squish, make a wish. A monster grumbles, "Trick or treat!" He's feeling bored today. The Squishy Wishy Pumpkin finds toys so he can play. See, squish, make a wish. A spooky ghost moans, "Trick or treat!" She's scared of gloomy nights. The Squishy Wishy Pumpkin gives her glowing fairy lights. See, squish, make a wish. "Trick or treat!" the pumpkin says. "I'll grant a wish for me." His friends come back and now he is as happy as can be. See, squish, make a wish. If you like this story, you can visit our shop, www.makebelieveideas.co.uk, for more great books.